Hey guys, welcome to Autodeck, and today we're talking about a car that's been a household name for decades, but now it's stepping into a whole new era. Yep, I'm talking about the 2026 Toyota Camry, and trust me, this isn't just another yearly refresh. Toyota has gone all in this time. First impressions? This thing looks good. The Camry has always played it safe with design, clean lines, reliable silhouette, but the 2026 model breaks that mold. The front fascia now has this aggressive hammerhead look inspired by Toyota's newer design language. It's sharp, wide, and way more athletic than the outgoing model. The LED headlights are slim and sleek, kind of like what you'd expect on a Lexus, and the overall stance looks lower and more planted, even though the dimensions haven't changed much. Now, if you're into that dark, sporty vibe, wait till you see the Nightshade edition. It's got blacked out 19-inch wheels, a gloss black grille, black mirror caps, door handles, even a rear spoiler. It honestly looks like a Camry that hit the gym and came back looking mean. And with color options like Ice Cap and Supersonic Red paired with that blackout treatment, it just pops on the road. But here's the real kicker. The 2026 Camry is now hybrid only. No more gas-only trims. Toyota has taken a bold step here, and I love it. Every Camry, from base to top trim XSE, now comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid setup. The front-wheel drive versions get 225 horsepower, while the all-wheel drive versions bump that up to 232 horsepower. That's not sports car territory, but for a mid-size family sedan, that's plenty, especially with the kind of fuel economy we're talking about here. Up to 53 miles per gallon in the city. 53! That's Prius-level efficiency in a car that actually looks cool. And speaking of all-wheel drive, yes, Toyota is still offering all-wheel drive on the Camry, and that's a big win. Not every sedan gives you that option, especially in this segment. So if you live somewhere snowy or just want that extra grip and confidence, the Camry's got you covered. Now, let's jump inside, because the interior is where things get really refined. The 2026 Camry brings in a fresh, tech-forward cabin without going overboard. Depending on your trim, you get either a 7-inch or a beautiful 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, plus a crisp touchscreen in the center for infotainment. And yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. No more cords. There's also a wireless charging pad, plenty of USB-C ports, and even an optional head-up display for that luxury feel.
Materials have been upgraded too. Soft-Tech seats with white accents, aluminum pedals, leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters. It's sporty but comfortable. You don't feel like you're sitting in a family commuter anymore. Toyota's clearly aiming to bring a bit of Lexus into the Camry here, and it works. And of course, safety. It's Toyota, so no surprise here, the Camry comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, the full suite. It's basically like having a co-pilot watching your back at all times. Now, one thing people always want to know, pricing. And Toyota's managed to keep it reasonable. The starting price is expected to land around $30,500, which is impressive considering the hybrid tech is now standard. Higher trims like the XSE with all-wheel drive will likely hit the mid to high 30s, depending on options, but even then, you're getting a lot of car for your money. So how does it compare to the previous Camry? Honestly, it's a leap forward. The last few Camry models were solid, no doubt, reliable, fuel-efficient, and built to last. But this one feels evolved. It's more aggressive, more tech-savvy, and with the full switch to hybrid, Toyota's clearly thinking long-term. They're future-proofing the Camry, not just for fuel savings, but for relevance in a market that's quickly shifting toward electrification. Is it perfect? Maybe not. Some might miss the V6 power of older Camrys, especially those who like a bit more punch. But if you look at the bigger picture, the design, the hybrid-only approach, the tech, the all-wheel drive, the safety, Toyota has packaged all of that into a car that's still affordable, still dependable, and now a lot more exciting. So, if you've been sleeping on the Camry, it's time to wake up. This 2026 model isn't just a commuter, it's a statement, and I can't wait to see it hit the roads.